So this is something I have not yet witnessed, this part of the frame making.
Did you want me to explain this?
Yeah.
Are you
Do
ready?
explain it to me.
Are you ready for me to explain it?
I'm ready. I'm already filming.
All right. So this is a spline jig that I first saw on Brad Rodriguez's YouTube, but he actually referred to John Peters' YouTube. We can put both those in the links. And while there's you don't necessarily need to see a plan for it. You could basically figure it out by looking at it. So I looked at this, and this is actually works pretty good. I used it on the first one. You know, if I wanted to, I could put a dado blade in there. It's a 1/4 inch wide, but I really don't want to go through the hassle of doing that. So I'm just going to cut, and then I'm going to move it over 1/8 of an inch and cut it again. You can see these right here are the splines, which I've got to finish cutting, go in here, and they go in the hole that's there with some glue, and it makes it ridiculously strong. So that's the purpose of this jig right here. Oh.
We just came in from snow blowing all the snow out there. Well, lots of it. And so now Mike's going to tell you about the frustration with the second frame.
All right, so this is the second glue up of this. I don't know if it was so cold in the garage it didn't take. I don't know. But I was going to cut the openings for the spline on the jig that I think I showed last video, where these go in there. But as I was doing it, they literally just came apart, like completely apart. So I stopped what I was doing and re-glued it. We'll see this time whether or not it's...
And this is a really cool strap system for holding the frame together.
Yeah, last time I used these clamps and it was not as good. I am hopeful that this time the glue will set, and then I will finish cutting the spline holes, place these in there. Started sanding with this one here, sanding it so it fits in very nicely, and then I'll use this push-pull saw here to cut them flush like I did the other ones.
All right, the second frame to go on the print that will accompany our burrow print by artist Kandy Tate. Ooh, bold. That's some bold color there.
Indeed.
Indeed. We decided not to go with the pre-stain on this one since Mike ends up distressing it with sandpaper anyway, so save a step. So we have both decided that this Minwax wood finish semi-transparent color stain color that showcases wood grain actually does not. It's really more of a thick paint. I mean, this is not semi-transparent at all. We have not found that to be the case. So just in case you're looking for something that's really thin, this is very thick, and you're just supposed to stir it, not shake it, and that's what we've done. And as you can see, it's not really semi-transparent. Oh yeah, it's got a white belly.
Got some good camouflage there.
Yeah, no kidding.
I see you, dude. You're not fooling anybody.
All right, well, we just brought it into the garage where it's warmer and it's drying fast, and I guess I have to take back what I said about it not being semi-transparent, because as it's drying, you actually do see some of the wood stain. And so I think maybe, as Mike said, that free stain might have kept the blue one from showing the stain, right?
Yep.
This is the little hanger thingy that we use. And we're ready for the rest of the placement. Yay! Yay! Let's hang it. Ta-da! The final second frame of the burrow and pig buddies of our initial burrow. And we want to thank Kandy Tate for her awesome, happy artwork. And we are very happy to have these buddies now hanging in our kitchen.